In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in Trello. Whether you're managing personal projects or collaborating with a team, effectively tracking the time you spend on tasks can enhance productivity and improve workflow. So let's dive in and explore how you can seamlessly integrate time tracking into your Trello boards. To begin, you need to log into Trello. It's a straightforward step. Just open your web browser or the Trello app on your device and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your boards, and that's where the magic starts. Next up is utilizing Trello power-ups. For time tracking, Trello has various power-ups designed to extend its functionality, and one that stands out for time tracking is Clockify. Clockify is excellent because it's a free tool that provides a timer and reporting capabilities, and it integrates effortlessly with Trello. This means you don't have to switch between applications. Everything you need is right there on your Trello board. Now, let's move on to adding a time tracking power-up to your Trello board. Head over to your chosen board where you want to keep track of your time. At the top menu of your board, you'll see an option labeled Power-Ups. Click on that, and it will open up a world of possibilities. In the search bar, type in the name of the time tracker you've chosen to use. For this example, we'll stick with Clockify. Once you've located it, you simply click Add. But that's not all. You'll need to authorize your account to ensure that the power-up can seamlessly integrate and sync with your Trello data. This may involve signing into your time tracking account, so make sure you have your login information on hand. With authorization complete, your power-up is ready to use. The final step is putting this power-up to work. Go ahead and open any card on your Trello board. You should now see a Start Timer button prominently displayed on each card. With one click, you can begin tracking the time you spend on that particular task. When you're done, you can stop the timer and all the data will be recorded for you to review later. And there you have it. Incorporating time tracking into Trello using power-ups like Clockify can greatly enhance your ability to manage tasks efficiently. You'll have a better understanding of where your time is going, which can help with billing clients, estimating project timelines, or simply staying productive throughout the day. So give it a try and see how it transforms your Trello experience. I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out other Trello features and power-ups that might suit your workflow needs. Thanks for watching and happy time tracking.